All right, boys and girls, here we go. We're going to talk about factoring. So, before we get into this, let me do a quick reminder. If we had 2x plus 5 and x plus 7, we would take those two parentheses and we would do double distribution. So I would go here to here is 2x squared plus 14x plus 5x plus 35, like terms in the middle, and we get an answer to look like that. So what we're going to do today is we're going to start with those trinomials, those things here, and we're going to work backwards to figure out what two binomials made this trinomial. Now, there's a lot of different ways to do this problem. I'm going to show you one today. I'll probably show you a different one tomorrow. The one today I'm going to show you is basically a trick. All right? Once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. But it's just a trick. So we start by taking this number times this number. So those multiply to be 6. Then I take the middle number and I say add 5. Now this should look familiar because this is what we did yesterday. What multiplies to 6 and adds to be 5. I told you yesterday's stuff was the fundamentals to what we're doing for the next 2 weeks. Here it is. Can you tell me what multiplies to 6 and adds to be 5? Well, I pull out the sheet. 6 is 1 and 6, 2 and 3. So obviously 2 and 3 are my numbers. So here's the trick. This is what you do. You write two parentheses. These are both positive, so I write x plus 2 and x plus 3. Then I take this first number and I put it in the denominator for both of those. Okay, not quite done yet. I look at this fraction. Can this fraction simplify? Well, 2/3 doesn't simplify. If it does not simplify, I take the bottom, move it up front, like that. If it does simplify, 3 divided by 3 is 1, I simplify and leave the answer like that. So these two, if I would do the distribution, would come out to be this. Let me show you to prove it to you. Again, you can check your work like this. This times this would be 3x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 2. Combine the like terms in the middle. 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. So you don't have to do that every time. I'm just showing you that it works. So, let's do it again. I put these two together. That's my multiply number. The middle number is always my add number. Can you come up with what multiplies to 30 and adds to 13? So, get out your sheet, look at everything that works. Correct answers are, of course, 3 and 10. Doesn't matter what order you write those in. So now, parentheses, x plus 3, x plus 10. Put the denominator as always this front number. Put 2 on the bottom. Can it simplify? 3 over 2. 3 is bigger than 2. You can change it to 1 1/2. That's not what I'm talking about. Is there anything that goes into both 3 and 2? Nope. So then I go bottoms up. That's the name of this method, by the way. Does this simplify? Yeah, I can divide by 2 and I get plain old 5. All right? That's your answer. See if you can do number 3 on your own. So here's how it starts. My multiply number is 60. My add number is 19. What multiplies to 60 and adds to 19 should be 4 and 15. So then I write x plus 4, x plus 15. Take the front number, put them over 6. Can it simplify? Yes, 2 goes into both of those. Can it simplify now? No. Bottoms up. Can this simplify? Yes, 3 goes into both of those. Can this simplify? No. Bottoms up. There you have it, there you are. All right, I'm gonna do this one with you. So it multiplies to negative 28, adds to positive 3. So I look at my sheet, I look at my list. 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7. If it multiplies to negative 28, then I know one of those two numbers has to be negative. Could be the small one, could be the big one. What does this add up to? 27, 12, 3. There's my combination. Multiplies to negative 28, adds to positive 3. So then I finish the process. It's a minus 4. These were all positive, so we put pluses in there. This is a minus 4, so I put a minus 4. X plus 7. Put them over 2. Does it simplify? Yes. Does this simplify? No. There's my answer. Try and do number 5 on your own. So my multiply number is 90. My add number is negative 21. So right there, I know if it multiplies to positive 90 and adds to negative 21, then I know both numbers have to be negative. Because it multiplies to a positive, but adds to a negative. So I look at the list. 90, 2 and 45, 3 and 30, and they're both negative. 4 and 4 doesn't work. 5 and 18. 6 and 15. And right there I found my combination. Use the sheet that you have on a separate sheet of paper right off to the side and start doing the list until you find the combination that adds up to the middle number you need. Once you find it, finish the process. Over 10, over 10. Can it simplify? Yes. Bottoms up. Can this simplify? Yes. 5 goes into both of those. Can this? No. Bottoms up. And there you have your answer. All right. Get them out, get to work.